Startup and debugging of air suspension centrifugal blower. Before starting the air suspension centrifugal blower, it is essential to prepare the necessary tools. Step 1. Open the cabinet. Use an adjustable wrench or a 12mm spanner to open the side door of the machine cabinet, safely setting the door aside. Remove all items inside the cabinet, including protective end caps, sealed power entry, sealing foam, and maintenance filters. Step 2. Install the inlet components. Open the protective end cap, which contains the inlet guide, aluminum rear cover, and fixing screws. Remove the plastic end cap used during transport, using an Allen wrench to take out the screws and then pulling the cap off firmly. Install the inlet guide with the outlet facing downward, securing it with 4 Allen screws. Connect the air hose inside the cabinet to complete the installation of the front end of the blower. Step 3. Install the rear motor cover. Remove the protective end cap at the rear of the motor and install the aluminum rear cover, securing it with screws. Step 4. Seal the power entry. Use sealing foam to seal the power entry, ensuring that it dries naturally for 1 hour. Step 5. Check electrical connections. Open the electrical control box by the side door of the cabinet and check each wire for looseness. Step 6. Prepare for power-up. Inform the customer that the machine can be powered on. Use a multimeter to check if the 3-phase voltage is normal and turn on the 220-volt switch. Step 7. Start the machine. After confirming that the PLC module is functioning correctly, prepare the jog switch and check the rotation direction of the blower. Start the machine and observe the impeller's direction, ensuring it aligns with the arrow on the scroll. If it does not, swap any two wires on the motor. If the machine cannot be shut down after starting, use the emergency stop button to force a shutdown. Step 8. Final checks. After completing the preliminary operations, confirm that there are no foreign objects in the cabinet and securely close the side door. Based on the varying loads and operational requirements from different customers, it is advisable for customers to power on the machine under the guidance of a technician. Confirm that the first 7 steps have been completed, make any necessary parameter adjustments, and then proceed to start the machine.